Hello, and thank you for joining me today to learn about Vosaic. Vosaic is an AI-powered video platform for teacher coaching and video analysis. In just a moment, I will show you how you can use Vosaic to coach teachers with evidence-based feedback, use AI to get answers about teaching practices, and show you how Vosaic pricing is set up to fit any budget. Along the way, I'll show you some unique features that make Vosaic the best video platform for teacher coaching and video analysis. But first, let me give you a high-level overview of Vosaic. Vosaic is a cloud-based platform, meaning you don't need to download anything to use it. You access it using a browser, and we recommend using Chrome. And in fact, you can get started today for free by visiting vosaic.com/register. We also have an iOS app you can download to your iPhone or iPad for easy video recording and tagging. Now, privacy and security are crucial to us. That is why all connections to Vosaic are encrypted. All data is encrypted when stored, and features like face blur and single sign-on are provided to give you more control over access and privacy. Vosaic can also be integrated with your learning management system, such as Canvas and Brightspace, for seamless video submissions and grading. Now let's take a look at what Vosaic looks like and how it works. When you first log into Vosaic, what you see is a list of videos that either you recorded or that have been shared with you. I'm going to go to one of those videos, and what you see here is a video player, a timeline, and a set of fully customizable buttons that you can press to mark specific moments on the timeline. I'm going to fast forward here to show you how that looks like. If I see communicating with students, I can press that button and you'll see Vosaic will start marking up a moment on a timeline. And it marks moments with the duration, not just a bookmark with a comment. You actually know when the behavior starts and where it ends. Now I can pause and add a comment. But as soon as I press this button again, this moment will be marked out, so you actually have a moment that you can press and play and add additional comments or add even video comments if that's needed. Now that's one of the unique features of Vosaic. This ability to mark moments with a duration allows you not only to click and play moments in a full duration and see exactly what's happening and for how long it's happening, but because they have a duration, you can also export them as highlight reels. Let me show you how that works. So over here, I have this checkbox that says export clips. When I press that, I can select specific moments that I want to export. And what will Vosaic do is it will stitch all those moments together with their comments. So instead of sharing the full video, you can export highlights. And if you need to just export a single clip, you can do that as well just by selecting that clip and exporting it as a separate video. Now, another thing that Vosaic does is automatically transcribes the videos. And these transcriptions are searchable. So if I look for the word crocodile, for example, I can go to that specific moment and see exactly where it's happening. And if I need to, I can edit and transcript to make it more accurate in case something did not get transcribed correctly. What we also do is detect speakers in the videos, and they're detected as speaker 1, speaker 2, speaker 3, but then you can name them. And once you do, you get an analysis of talk time by speaker. So you can see how long is Amy talking for, who is a teacher, and how long is each of the other students talking for. Another important thing about Vosaic Transcript is that we try to automatically remove any PII. So if someone is saying, my social security number is such and such and such, we would mask that so you would not see that in the transcript. All right. Now let's go and talk about how you can use AI to get answers about the practice. We have this feature called AI Mate. Now what AI Mate does is automatically analyzes the video for classroom management and student engagement and gives you this report that includes the summary of this teacher's classroom management and student engagement practice. It gives you a talk time by teacher and student, and also some moments that you can play to go back and review. Additionally, it includes suggestions for teacher and the research those suggestions are based on. Now, in addition to this automated report, you can also use preset prompts. For example, is the teacher using good classroom management techniques? Which domains of Danielson's framework for teaching are used? Or you can use your own prompt. So you can ask, for example, at which points in video does the teacher ask questions? And then the AI will analyze the video and gives you timestamps that you can go back and review and click. And this is meant to help speed up the process of video revisions for coaches, field supervisors, or teachers. If they want to probe their own practice against AI prompts, they can do that. All results of those prompts are exportable as PDF, so you can click this button to export it, and the same is true for this report. Now that we have reviewed kind of what this video player looks like, we talked about how you can use buttons to mark specific moments, how you can add comments to those specific moments using the Add Note button, and how Vosaic transcribes a video. Let me show you how you can share the video with someone. You can exit the video here, and under sharing option here, select Share with Users. Then you can search for the user you want to share with, select that user, and then press save. And at this point, Bonnie will receive an email telling her that video has been shared with her, and that email will have a link she can click on to log on to Vosaic and watch the video. Now there's some other features on this page. You can add overall comments to the videos. You can upload supporting documents. So for example, if you want to upload a lesson plan or a presentation that was used in a video, you can attach it to this video. You can download the annotations as a PDF. The PDF will have the form that was used, the name of the form, and a button that was pressed, at which point the button was pressed, who pressed the button, if there was any tags that were added to it, and then comments added to that specific moment. Now, Vosaic has some other great features, such as projects. Now, projects are something that coaches and field supervisors and professors can use to make video submissions really easy for their teachers and student teachers. Forms. This is a place where you can create those forms for tagging videos. Groups is a feature that allows you to create groups of users. So when you share videos, instead of sharing with individual users, you can just share video with a whole group. And reports is something that you can use to create inter-rater reliability reports or any other reports. And these can be also exported as a CSV file. Now, to learn more about those and other features, I encourage you to schedule a personalized demo with us by visiting vosaic.com/rfdemo. The one last thing I said I'd share with you is about Vosaic pricing. And to do that, I'll head over to the Users tab. In Vosaic, users can be added in one of 4 roles. Viewer role is a free role, which means all of your teachers or student teachers can access Vosaic for free, and they can watch and mark up and annotate videos that have been shared with them. Learner role is typically assigned to teachers who need to upload videos, and this is a paid seat. Educator role is typically given to coaches and field supervisors, and this allows users in that role to upload videos. They can manage projects, forms, users groups, all of these other features that educators need to do their work and help their teachers. An administrator role is something that's typically assigned to IT, or it could be a user who is in the coaching role. But users in administrator role have access to managing single sign-on, LMS integrations, turning on and off the AI made feature or face blur or some other things. Now, administrator, educator, and learner roles are paid seats, and a viewer role is a free seat. However, in Vosaic, you can move users in and out of seats as you need to. So for example, Sam is right now in a free role, which means he cannot upload videos. However, if I need Sam to upload videos next week, I can promote him to this learner role. This gives him permissions to upload videos, Once he's done uploading, I can switch him back to viewer role and give that paid seat to someone else. Now, to get a quote that fits your specific needs, please contact us by visiting Vosaic.com/contact us, or better yet, schedule a short conversation with us by visiting Vosaic.com/rfdemo. Now, this is all that I have prepared for you for this screencast. Thank you so much for joining me, and if you'd like to continue the conversation, please use those links that I mentioned earlier, and I look forward to reconnecting with you.